everyone! Ready for a brilliant adventure? Today, we're going to turn old rubbish into secret treasures. We'll use our hands and ideas to make amazing things from recycling bin finds, like plastic bottles, cardboard boxes, and toilet roll tubes. Imagine building a rocket ship, a castle, or even a funny monster, all from things you might throw away. These materials are just waiting for a clever maker like you to give them new life. The best part? You never know what you'll create. An empty cereal box could become a robot, a bottle could become a fish. You're the boss of your creation. Paint it, stick things on, make it unique. So let's check our recycling bins for treasures and get ready for a big making day. Every time we use something old to make something new, we help our planet. We're turning trash into treasure, and that's an important job. Are you excited? Let's get our making things ready and start our crafting adventure. Grab your materials and let's begin. Let's make something amazing together. What is recycling? It's turning old things like empty bottles into brand new things instead of throwing them away. Recycling keeps our world clean and stops rubbish piles from growing too big. When you use an old box for a craft, you're a recycling hero, giving it a new adventure. Every time you recycle, you help keep forests green, oceans blue, and air clean. It's a small action that makes a big difference for our planet. Recycling is about seeing possibilities, not rubbish, a future rocket ship, or a friendly puppet. By recycling, we help look after Earth together. Every little bit helps, and you're an important part of the team. So, let's be clever and kind. Give old things a new chance to be something brilliant. Are you ready to be the best recycling team ever? Let's start making and saving the planet. Go Team Recycle! Ready for our first make? Let's build a bottle rocket. Grab a clean plastic bottle for the rocket's body. Cut 3 cardboard triangles for fins and stick them near the bottom. Decorate your rocket, paint it, add foil, stickers, or stars. Make a cone from card for the top and attach it to the lid. Countdown: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Next, let's build a cardboard castle. Use toilet roll tubes for towers and a cereal box for the main building. Stick the tubes to the corners and cut little squares at the top for battlements. Paint your castle gray or any color you like. Add a drawbridge and windows. Make flags from paper and straws for the towers. Your castle is ready for epic adventures. See how easy it is to turn recycling into something magical? What will you make next? Let's keep creating! Being a brilliant maker is fun, but safety comes first. Always ask a grown-up for help with sharp tools like scissors. Be gentle and never run with scissors. Use glue carefully. Protect your table with newspaper or a cloth. If you get sticky, just wash your hands when you're done. When you finish, be a tidy-up champion. Put lids back on paints and glues and recycle leftover materials. Throw scraps in the bin and wipe your table clean. A tidy space means you're ready for your next adventure. Today, you turned old things into treasures and helped our planet. Keep looking for things to recycle and reuse. Your imagination is your best tool. Keep dreaming, making, and helping the world. Well done, amazing makers.